Behind every landlord's seemingly peaceful existence, there is always one nightmare. It lays deep in the back of their minds. Destructive tenants.
And today, we're those guys. What did you do to my pool? So I just moved into a new house and it does have a pool here. So I had an idea to fill the entire thing with thousands of bath bombs. This is what happens when you put one bath bomb in water, but we have no idea what will happen when we put thousands of bath bombs inside of an entire pool. So first we're gonna test it with this trash can and 150 bath bombs. Then we're gonna test it with 500 bath bombs in this outer ground pool. And finally, we're gonna pour all 5,000 bath bombs inside of this pool. And about a year ago, I made a video that got 100 million views teasing the idea. So 1 year later, we're finally doing this. So first, it was time to see what happens when we put the bath bombs inside of a trash can.
Piece of trash.
Oh, it burned. And now it was time to take this one step further with 500 bath bombs.
What?
Oh, this is like art. We turned our pool into art.
You get it. Hang on, I have a plan.
Okay. Oh no.
I'm suing, bro.
We're wet. All right, so we only ended up putting 500 bath bombs in here, but we're gonna be putting 5,000 to 10,000 bath bombs in the actual pool right behind me next. So now we're gonna see what happens when you put way more bath bombs in an actual built-in pool. So that's exactly what we did. I invited a bunch of my friends over to help me dump all the bath bombs into the pool. All right, so I may have gotten a lot of bath bombs, so I'm gonna show you guys and let me know if you think we have enough.
Good.
It's like 10,000.
It's a lot.
Smells so good.
Does it smell good in here?
So good.
We then needed to transfer all the bath bombs to the backyard. I want to give a huge thanks to my friends over at Ritzy Bath Bombs. They hooked me up with all these bath bombs. Couldn't have done it without them. Thank you, Ritzy. You guys are the best. Let's go. So Mark, my pool guy, just got here and I showed him my idea. This is either a great idea or a terrible idea, but what do you think?
As a fan, it's a really cool idea. As a pool guy, this sucks. I don't want it to happen because we're gonna have to drain the damn pool because the water chemistry is gonna be so horrible when this thing is over.
So what are all of like the potential risks, like things that could go wrong?
Well, depending on how we drain the pool and where we throw the water, you could flood the house.
Oh my
So we don't want to do that.
He then carried on to tell me that doing this could cost me anywhere from $20,000 to $50,000 in damage. So despite my pool guy Mark saying this is a horrible idea, we're doing it. And we're doing it now. We have tested this a few different times. The reaction could be pretty bad. We did it in a trash can in a pool and it did overflow. I don't know, what do you guys think is gonna happen? You think it's gonna overflow? I think it's a 50-50 shot.
I think it's gonna overflow. Yeah, I think
We need a little bit more.
Overflow? Wait, you think we need more? Yeah, we need more. Let's go get some more.
Dude, we don't need any more.
Bro, we need more bath bombs. We don't have enough.
It's such a waste.
So I feel like we still need more bath bombs. We just like don't have enough. So we're gonna go to the store, try and buy as many as they have, hopefully get like 100 or 200 more.
You really think 100 more is gonna make a big difference?
We're getting more bath bombs, okay?
Are you seriously getting all of them?
Yes, bro. I think we should see if they have any in the back too.
You need some serious help.
We secured the bag. It's time to go destroy this pool. And by the way, if anyone's wondering what is going on with this car, we have spent months covering my subscribers' names on my Porsche, and we might not fit all 7 million of you guys on there, but we still do have some room. So if anyone is not on there yet and you want to be on there, comment below, say, write my name on the Porsche, we'll write your username, and let's finally go do this. All right, boys. Finally game time. I got the rest of the bath bomb. Let's run it. I think it's go time. Are you guys ready? Yeah! All right, go! 3, 2, 1, go! What are we doing right now? Oh my God, dude. This is nuts.
This is wild.
Smells good.
So good.
Dude, it actually smells amazing.
Fire.
So the pool is going crazy right now, and I'm leaving real quick because I planned this prank on my friends by basically hiring a Craigslist actor who's gonna act as if he's our landlord. It's gonna cause a huge scene. He's gonna run through the house, act super mad at me, act mad at all my friends. So this should be good. Man,
Brother.
nice to meet you.
We're gonna play this pretty rough. I'm gonna be pretty harsh.
Okay.
So when you take it personal, I'm gonna say some pretty degrading things.
Okay.
You know, I'm gonna lean into it. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna say yet, but I'm just gonna kill. I'm just gonna go at it.
I think to make it more realistic, we maybe go no hat. We downplay it a little bit.
When I wear this, people actually treat me like I'm the owner of the place. This is a polo. I got a pink polo.
Okay, let's do pink polo.
Are you sure though? Cause what? What's going on?
I'm sure. Yeah. We'll downplay it and the people will believe it.
You gonna go?
I think so.
It could be pretty believable like this.
So I quickly walked back to the house and acted as if nothing happened so that the Craigslist actor could barge through the house in the next 15 minutes and prank all my friends. And 10 minutes after pouring the bath bombs in, the pool was still foaming. All right, so what are your thoughts right now? How much time do we have?
5 minutes ago.
So what's potential damage right now?
If you ruin the surface, 20 grand.
So potentially this could be like 20 grand worth of damage.
Easily $20,000.
At this moment, I thought this was just a small potential, but little did I know how real this soon would become.
Heater was ruined, pump was ruined, filter was ruined. Dude, we're at like over 30 grand. I'm so sorry.
Oh my God, bro. This is stressful. Speaking of stress, I want to thank the sponsor of today's video, BetterHelp. BetterHelp makes starting therapy much easier and less intimidating for a lot of people because you can have a therapy session as a phone call, a video chat, and even messaging, and it just makes it so much easier than traditional therapy. One thing I'm a big advocate for is setting goals and making a step-by-step plan on how to actually achieve them, and so many people think that their goals are too big or not achievable, but I'm here to tell you that's not true at all. You can literally make anything happen in life if you just put in work, make a plan, and stick to it. I'm no different. I've had big goals, and in the past I've let other people tell me it's not attainable, I shouldn't go for it, but once I stopped listening to other people and I just gave it my all and really made a plan for myself, I was able to do so much more than I ever really thought was possible. If you're watching this right now, please take that bet on yourself because we only live this life once and it's honestly too big of a risk not to live a life you're passionate about. BetterHelp can assist you with this by giving you someone that you can talk to your goals about, and we'll be able to 1, hold you accountable, and 2, help you come up with time-bound measurable goals and bring them out of a vision and into reality. Over 4 million people use BetterHelp to help them live happier, healthier lives, and I may be needing to speak to a BetterHelp therapist after seeing all the damage I did in my pool and hopefully not my bank account. If you think that BetterHelp could be a good fit for you, then you can sign up with the link in my description and get 10% off your first month using BetterHelp. All right, we're gonna go push Parker in right now. Let's go. Yeah. I did it. I got his back. Where is he? Where'd he go? Get him! I got his Yeah! Get him! Oh no. I then put these goggles on to try and find Michael's brand new Ray-Ban glasses that he lost when we pushed him in the pool. I can't even see. Oh, he's going. Oh my God. That's
What's that kid? What's going on?
How's it going?
What you doing to my pool? Dude, you gotta be kidding me. You have to be kidding. I told you no parties in the house. Who are you? What are you doing?
What do you mean?
What are you guys doing here? What is going on? You tell me right now, my pool looks like some skit up the Chappelle show.
We're trying to like talk to someone. I thought I sent like an email.
I own this house.
I know.
If I own this house, I have to sign off on any stupid stunts.
This isn't a stupid.
This is gonna take 15 years to get this shit out of my pool, man.
Okay.
What the f did you do to my pool? No girls? Just boys? Are you serious? I can't deal with this, man. I'm gonna get my secretary on the phone. I want you out of here Monday morning.
All right.
Is that actually the
I was trying to prank all of you guys. So I hired an actor to act as the landlord.
Where's the actor?
I was like,
Weird. Right? At first I was like, oh, it's a joke. He doesn't even know your name. And then I was like, oh, this is real.
I think I believed it for the first like 5 seconds.
Yeah, I was
and then
like,
he started screaming more, and I was like, oh, it's a joke.
do not hire Craigslist actors. All right, since we basically ruined the whole backyard now, might as well go all out. We're gonna go build a slip and slide that completely goes to the house. So it's gonna go from right when you open the front door, slip and slide will come out here into the pool. It's gonna be crazy. So we built the slide and turned our house into even more of a dream house. Look, front door. You get to slide right through the living room into the beautiful blue pool. It's time to try this. Oh, that was good. Oh, you are right there. All right, bro, it's your turn. On the side? No, I'm kidding. No way you just did that. All right. They said we couldn't, and we did. Hey, just do it. So you do it. Kaz is gonna just do it right now. Oh, this does hurt. We're giving the bug skim a go.
I don't want to do this.
Came for my hospital bill. You don't my job, Stay.
No.
Well, we ball.
All right, boys.
Yeah, rub it. I like that.
We did it. At what cost? All right, so the boys are hungry. We just ordered pizza, and we have an idea. I'm gonna offer the pizza delivery driver a $100 tip if they'll slide down our homemade water slide. So they're gonna be here in a few minutes, and hopefully they'll do it. How are you? Do we have a proposition for you? We have a water slide inside the house right here. If you try and slide down it, we'll give you a $100 tip. You want to do it? No? Okay, we have to order more pizza. We have to order it now. I have a proposition for you. We made a water slide. We are offering, if someone wants to try and slide down it, a $100 tip. No. You have a good day. Thank you. How's it going? We have a crazy proposition for you. If you will try our water slide, we'll give you a $100 tip. We have a change of clothes. We have a towel.
From like right here?
From like back there. Like you're gonna.
Okay.
And at last, we finally found our guy. Or so we thought. He decided it wasn't worth it and left to make his next delivery.
Doing it. So close to doing it.
The delivery guys were not up for the challenge. They missed out on a fun time and $100. But I do have one more challenge for my friends. All right, we have one last thing planned before we drain the entire pool. So this is the slippery beam walk challenge. These are the various prizes and punishments. And these are everyone who's gonna be playing with us. So let's go. All right, so Keaton's gonna attempt to go across on his bike.
Let's see how this goes.
Bro,
Go on now.
bro, no way.
Go right here. Yup.
No way. Joe got the spicy food.
Dude, I got so much bath bomb water in my mouth. Oh.
You can spit it out.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Nice.
That's sick.
All right, drink is up. No way.
Thank you, Mr. Beast.
All right. We need someone in the pool first. No! I'm not doing this. No. Kind of good, actually. No way!
Dude, I'm not eating that.
Oh, look at the blood! Oh!
This is so gross. It's not even happening to me and I might throw up.
Open up.
It tastes so. It's on my face. I smell it. Dude, that's so.
Alright, we're going for it. I want the Ultra 2.
Please get the fish.
Let's go! This is so much money.
I'm sorry to break this to you. You know, times are tough. I'm not Mr. Beast. You can have it, but this is prop money.
Dude.
Here's $100. This is real money.
Why is it wet?
It was in my pocket. But hey, like and subscribe, and maybe this can be real money soon. So,
I hope so.
Mr. Beast, give this man some money because I can't. All right, so we've had a lot of fun, but unfortunately, the fun is coming to an end, and it is time to drain this pool and get it pretty again. Got the pump right here, and we're gonna drain it. All right, update. It's been like 2 hours since we started draining the pool, and it is going fast. This is what it is currently looking like right now. We had to do this to save the pool, and we do have all the water draining directly through the neighborhood. And I really don't know how far it goes or where it drains, so I'm gonna go drive around the neighborhood and we'll check it out. We are in like a different neighborhood. It's still going down. Yeah, that's definitely for my pool. Where does this drain? I've been through 2 neighborhoods and I don't know where. We're gonna figure out where it drains. Don't mind me, just following my pool water. Kind of caused a little flooding in this neighborhood. Oh my gosh, I found the drain. This went through like 5 neighborhoods for like, I swear, miles. This is where it drained. Well, that's where my pool went. That's cool. And this is the aftermath of putting thousands of bath bombs in your pool. We just found Michael's glasses from pushing him in. Michael, we got your Ray-Bans. All right, there you go, bro. Sweet, thanks. And at last, the pool is empty. It is time to refill this pool. Here we go. The pool guy just left and he said he's gonna come back tomorrow once it's filled up, run me through all the costs. I'm a little nervous, but I'm gonna take you guys with me and we're gonna see what the damage is. All right, he's here. It's a moment of truth.
Hey, Kaz.
Hey.
It was kind of messy on Friday. We should probably go sit down and talk about this. It's a little bit more than I thought.
Okay.
Want to sit here?
Yeah, sure.
I talked about kind of a low and a high, and I was really hoping we'd come within that budget.
Yeah.
However, the water was so acidic that the heater was ruined, the pump was ruined, and the filter was ruined. We needed all new equipment. And I know it looks good right now, but we're gonna have to resurface the pebble too, the whole pool. So that's 20 grand, the equipment's 10 grand. That's not even counting the labor to clean up the mess and get rid of the water. So dude, we're at like over 30 grand. I'm so sorry.
I thought that was just like that could happen or something.
That was worst possible scenario, yeah.
Okay. Alright. Alright.
I'm just kidding. It came in under budget.
Oh my. Thank you so much. You gave me a heart attack.
You're good.
Let's go. We came in a budget. Woo!
And although these tenants may have seemed like a nightmare, just 24 hours later, this house was turned back into better condition than before. And we end this story with not a tragedy, but instead, a happily ever after.
All right, yesterday was absolutely insane. I want to thank my landlord for trusting me with this house. And I also want to thank my pool guy for assuring we could get it back to normal. And I also want to give another thanks to Ritzy Bath Bombs for providing us with all of the bath bombs. So if you want to fill your pool with a bunch of bath bombs, I have a discount code in the description. And most importantly, I have an idea to top this. My last YouTube video got 75,000 likes. So if this video gets 100,000 likes, we will officially make the world's largest bath bomb that'll equate to over 20,000 bath bombs. And the idea is that we could crane it over a house and into a pool. I've already talked to some companies and this is possible, but it would be very expensive. So smash the like button. That is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching.